Alright, I'm at wet detail. This is gonna be this is the last time I'm gonna see the car before it gets fully detailed. And it's gonna look so sweet at the end. I can't wait to see it. So here's the dirty version of the Mini Cooper. It's gonna be completely detailed and will be ready by maybe a couple weeks.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have the car finally back from the detail shop. It took about 2.5 weeks, but we did a lot of work on it. It got a full paint correction, full exterior detail, full front PPF, rocker panel PPF. It got an all-around window tint and even interior detail, I believe. Let's go around and check out the car. I have never seen it this clean. The blacks look so black. The black plastic around the wheels looks so good. I can't believe it. Let's check it out. Okay, here is the final detail of the car. Look how glossy it looks. It is popping like you wouldn't believe. Look at this super shiny mirror finish. This is the PPF. We got a full front PPF, which is the full front of the hood, the front bumper. We got the fenders and the rocker panels down there called the track pack. Because I got a brand new hood and a fender, because I got a brand new hood and a new bumper, I wanted to protect that paint from the body shop. So wrapped it in full PPF, and that's gonna really seal it and protect it. We did a full clay bar around the car, and it is so smooth to the touch. Look at this finish. This is a mirror finish. It looks incredible. They did a full exterior detail. They cleaned the wheels all up in there. The rim, the actual hub, the calipers, glossed the tires. This black plastic, I've never seen it this black before. We did 20 all the way around, and we did a 70 ceramic on the windshield, so this car will never get hot. It looks incredible. Full walk around, and just look at it popping. Wow, complete full walk around, and I've never seen it look this good. The next step on this car will probably be finishing the wheels. They all have curb rash, and a lot of them have the titanium is coming off on the car just due to the age of the wheel. But you know, once I get that refinished, this exterior is gonna look so good. If you like what you see and you want more Mini Cooper videos, please leave a comment down below. Your support's really gonna help. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.